When one of the grandchildren's music stands broke, I grabbed it as an opportunity to see if either I could weld something so thin or the TIG welder could weld something so thin. I had grave doubts about both, but as it turned out, we were both up to the job. Have a look and see. This is one of the kids' music stands that's broken. It's only a cheap item, so it doesn't matter if you have to buy a new one. But I'm going to use it to test the low end on the TIG function on this welder. And I've got it set at about 20 amps. I've got the tungsten sharpened to a real point. I'm going to attempt to weld these very thin pieces back together. Well, lo and behold, at 20 amps that held a stable arc. I wasn't up to the job, but it was. Yeah, well, I'm pretty impressed with that. I didn't think I'd be able to weld that. I haven't done a real good job of it because it had the aluminium top rivet going through the middle of it. And that trilled it as far as being anything that's going to be all that usable afterwards as far as to pack up and move around. It should work as in a stationary position. Oh wow, ha ha ha, wow, how's that? It still works. I'm impressed myself even. I would not have thought that would work, and I didn't think the welder was up to it, but at 20 amps it held a really stable arc to do that job. I didn't use my thin tungsten. I left that 3/32 tungsten in there and just had it sharpened to a very, very fine tip. I probably should have gone to a 16 tungsten to do that job, but I chose not to because I was lazy. Yeah, look, I'm really impressed with the way this CigWeld cheap TIG welder has done this job. Yeah, quite happy with it. I had this video sitting around for a few months before I even looked at it to edit it and get it up on the net, and I was most annoyed to find that some of the things I thought I'd taken good video of wasn't even in shot. So I've substituted in some later footage that I hope will suffice. I think it covers what I wanted to show well enough. If you'd like to see more of my projects, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe for more. Until next time.